welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys some of the products I have bought recently. Yes, it is a haul video. Most of it are like cosmetics and some of them are face wash, face cream. So yeah, let's straightly get into the video. The first one I'm going to show you is brushes. I have bought this brushes. This is from Puna store and this retails for rupees 199 and after some discount I got this for 180 or something, and I've got this from Amazon. This is the foundation blending brush. I have used it one time I guess, and this blends well but not like amazing. Yes, it blends well, it is good. Yeah, so I will just put a link on where to buy this product in the description box below. Please go and check that out. And the another one is the Maybelline contour brush, and actually I have not bought this. I've got this for free for buying some of the Maybelline products, so I have not used it yet, as you can see. And this is of good volume. I have to try this, guys. Actually I guess it will work well. It is a contour brush and I don't know how much it retails for, but it is a very good brush. I love this so much. Next, let's move on to kajals and eye makeup, blah blah blah. Okay, the first one I have got is the Lakme Iconic um, kajal. This is in the shade color royal blue. Yes, actually I have toned it already, but I've just put it again inside just to show you the package. Yes, this is the kajal, and this retails for rupees 275, but trust me, I got this for 184 or something in Nykaa. And if you wanna buy a beauty cosmetics or face wash or anything related to these kind of products, please check out Nykaa, because they give it in discount so many times. So I'll just love Nykaa because of that. And I've got this for 184 or something, and this is such a cheap one when compared to the original price. I love this a lot. I will just swatch it on the back of my hand. Yes, this is the color. It's good, right? I just love this. I badly wanted to use colored kajals, but I have not even tried it. So this is the first time I'm gonna try the colored kajal on my eye. I guess it will look good on my eyes. What do you guys think? Okay, the next one is the kajal by Faces. This is the fake Faces Magnetize Kajal. Yes. And I like this kajal. I'm using this daily nowadays. It is like super black. Yeah, can you guys see? So if you want me to show you guys a review of any of these products, please let me know in the comment section. I will be so glad to do that for you guys. So yeah, and this retails for rupees 200, I guess. I will just put everything in the description box below. Please go and check that out. And it is waterproof, smudge proof, and dermatologically tested. And yeah, it is such a nice kajal, and net weight is 0.35 gram. I love this kajal so much, and I'm happy that I bought this. I'm shaking the camera. Okay, fine. And the next one is the eyebrow pencil by Maybelline. It is the Fashion Eyebrow Duo Shaper. And yeah, the one side you have this kind of stick or something, and you just have to put outline of your eyebrows, and you just have to fill in your eyebrows with this, and the other side is like this. You just have to dab it or just do something to fill in your eyebrows if you have a sparse eyebrows. But actually I bought this, but really this, I mean, I don't want this kind of eyebrow pencil for me because my eyebrow is already like a normal thick, so I don't want any eyebrow pencil like this. But I've bought this. But seriously, I'm telling you, I have used this only once in my lifetime, but I've bought this like 2 months ago. Okay, and the next one is the Savannah Silty Fine Makeup Palette. Actually, there is a big story behind this product. One of you guys, I'll just put her name in here. She actually wanted me to do a review of this Savannah Silty Fine makeup palette. Once she tell me that in the comment section, I was like searching for that, but I couldn't able to find this on Nykaa, on Flipkart and all. But she said that it will be available on Amazon, and I searched it on Amazon, and it tells like it cannot be delivered to Chennai. I was like so much frustrated. Oh my god, why such things are happening? And then I was like searching again and again, and then I told her in the comment, I replied her saying that I could not able to find this. She said okay, but then still I was like able to finding this one. And one day when I saw it was like currently available, and immediately I've ordered it, and this is for rupees 350, I guess. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot the rate. I guess 350, and I have paid 100 rupees for the delivery, but that doesn't matter. Okay, I will just review this product in the upcoming video. Please stay tuned for that review. So I'm badly waiting to do a review for this product. Yeah. Okay, and then the next one is by Maybelline New York V Face Duo Powder, and this is the one. There are so many Maybelline products here, right? I don't know why, but I love Maybelline a lot because it is so much affordable and it's a very good brand. So it is a duo powder. I have got it in the shade light medium. Yeah, for this one you can use it to like bake your face, to set your highlight on place, and this one you can set your contour on place, and combining these two you can just put it on your face. You can set your entire face. And yeah, this one is for rupees 500, and I have got this on Nykaa for rupees 375 after a discount during Holi, no, Republic Day, no, I don't know, but I've got this on some discount. So yeah, for this only I have got this Maybelline, what is this, contour brush for free. Yeah, okay. And again Maybelline product. Yes, this is the concealer by Maybelline, and I've got in the shade medium. This one works very well for me. I love this a lot. Yeah, can you guys see? Yeah, actually it is little lighter for me, but I've just got this to highlight my face, to conceal my face. So yeah, it works well. I love this a lot. This is for rupees 500, and again I got this on some discount for 420, I guess. So this is such a good product. I love this a lot. And then let's move on to lippies. I have bought two lipsticks recently, and both of them, yeah, both of them are from Attitude. So these two are the lipsticks, and one is in the shade, I have to see. One is in the shade Mad About Pink, and this is what I'm wearing now. See guys, I just love this color so much. Can you guys see? Yes, this one is such an amazing color. I love this a lot. So yeah, this one is for rupees 389, and actually it doesn't contain lead, so it will not tan your lipsticks, I mean lips at all. So, and that is one of the reason why I love this lipstick. So I have bought two of them, two different shades from their range. So the other one is in the shade Mauve It Over. I will just swatch two of them on the back of my hand. It is too hard. Yeah, and this is the color. This is also similar to what I'm wearing now, but it is not really. I will swatch it for your understanding. Yeah. Mauve It Over is like darker shade of the Mad About Pink. Yes, this is Mad About Pink, and this is Mauve It Over. Can you guys see? It is like super glossy. So if you're the person who loves only matte lipsticks, then it will not be a better go for you, but it will last long. Even though it is like a glossy lipstick, it will last long. And these are the two lipsticks that I have bought recently. And the next one is the face wash by Pond's. Actually, I have bought this mainly because it's summer now. It is sun dullness removal cream. I hate summer. I seriously, I used to get so much affected by sun. So I have got this, and I have to do so much of remedies for removing tan, to protect myself from tan. So I've got this. This is sun dullness removal. It is a scrub actually. You can use it like 3 days in once a week, like that. And this retails for rupees 115, I guess. Yes, this retails for rupees 115, and this is such an amazing face scrub. Actually, you know guys, I love all the products released by Pond's. Most of them that I have used. I love the Pond's BB cream, Pond's White Beauty, this Pond's White Beauty face wash, the charcoal face wash. I forgot that name. I love that too. I have used that also. So I love all the products by Pond's. So this one is actually such a good product. I have used this, so you can just buy this because now it's summer. This will be a best friend for you. And the next one is the Clean and Clear face wash. This is for fairer and brighter skin. It has cherry extract formula, UV sunscreens. All of this I got especially because of summer. So yeah, this retails for rupees 65. It is affordable, so you can get this. To be frank, I have not used it yet, so I have to use this. As I already told you, if you want me to do a review for any of these products, don't forget to let me know in the comment section. I will do that because you know I love you all. And then the next one is the Ayush. The last one is the Ayush Anti-Marks Turmeric Face Cream. Actually, I have bought this because my friend Monisha, she suggested me that this is actually a good product, and that is why I bought this. And yeah, this is very good cream for oily skin. It gives you a dry look, it will not give you a dewy look. So yeah, and this retails for rupees 65. It is, yeah, the same price of the Clean and Clear, what is that, Clean and Clear face cream, Clear Fairness cream. Oops. Okay, yeah, and I love this. So yeah, I will show you the consistency. And sometimes, you know, this is what happens. Can you guys see? And this is the thing I hate. Since it is not bottle, we cannot shuffle it. I don't know what I'm going to do if it runs like this. Oops. And that is the thing I hate in this product. Otherwise, it is really good. Yeah, and that's it. Do I have anything more? No. Yeah guys, that's it. These are all the products I have bought recently. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So yeah guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and please do subscribe for more videos. And thank you so much all of my subscribers. We have crossed 800 subscribers, and it is like a dream. I have not really I have not really expected that I would grow like this much fast in YouTube, but this has just happened. So yeah, this is happening also. Please, I need your support guys. Please do subscribe, and I will be uploading more videos hereafter because I'm in my summer holidays. My college got over. I have to go for work hereafter. So thank you guys. So see you all in the next video. Bye bye.